Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own custom team in Madden NFL 27. You can do it through Team Builder and there are plenty of things you can customize including your team's identity, uniforms, stadium and roster. To get started, head to this website and sign in using your EA account. If you purchase Madden through Steam, you can also use your Steam account to log in and it should connect automatically. After signing in, select Create and wait a few moments for the team builder page to load. You will see the available customization sections across the top, including brand, uniforms, stadium and field, and roster. Let's start with brand. Here, you can set up the basic identity of your custom team. Under school info, you can enter your team name, team nickname, team abbreviation, city, and state. Next, you'll find the logo section where you can upload your primary, secondary, and tertiary logos. If you're uploading your own logos, PNG files are a good option, especially when you need a transparent background for a cleaner look. You can also choose your team's main colors, which will be used throughout different parts of the team, including the uniforms and stadium. Further down, you will find options for your apparel brand and fonts, so you can customize the team's overall visual identity even more. Once your branding is ready, move over to the Uniforms tab. You'll start with home and away uniforms, and you can add additional uniforms combinations by selecting the plus icon. I'd recommend starting with the home uniform. You can customize the helmet, jersey, pants, and socks and change things like colors, logos, patterns, numbers, and other design elements. There is also a preview option in the top right corner which lets you see how the entire uniform looks when everything is put together. After finishing the home uniform, set up your away uniform and any additional uniform sets you want to create. Next, open stadium and field. This is where you can customize the look and atmosphere of your home stadium. You can change the stadium name, stadium base, crowd, field surface, logos, end zones, field numbers, sidelines, and benches. So if you want your custom team to have a unique home field atmosphere, this is another section where you can spend a lot of time fine-tuning the details. Once the stadium is finished, move on to the roster tab. This is where you can customize the players on your team. You can start with a roster preset and then edit individual players by changing their names, height, weight, numbers, appearance, positions, ratings, and other player information. This gives you the option to create a roster that's completely customized to your liking. When you have finished setting up your team, go to the top right corner and select Submit. If everything uploads correctly, you'll see a team submission successful message. From there, select Go to My Teams and you'll be able to view the custom teams you have created. You can create up to 32 custom teams. Now to actually use your custom team in Madden 27, launch the game and go to the Creation Center. Open the Download Center, then switch over to My Shared Files by pressing R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. Find the custom team you uploaded through Team Builder and download it. After the download finishes, return to the main menu and you'll be able to use your custom team in franchise mode or quick play. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.